Satsa which has been made for forts. So you can see that there are groups which are been made, area wise groups in Maharashtra, and these are all the forts names which are there. So you can see practically all fort names over there, and you can see that majority of them are at least in the starting phase. I don't say that those are complete articles, but yes. So you can see that these are the list of forts which are kind of in the fort category, and those have been created, and then the work and all that stuff. Now let's try to edit something. So how to edit? There are two ways of editing. Can you see the edit button, that is Sampadan on the top, because this is not a protected article, so you can very much edit it. If you want to make major changes in the article, major changes, like you want to add say 4 or 5 paragraphs, or if you want to add a major kind of contribution in the info box and all that, we prefer you click over here and make the changes. And if you want to make changes in a one paragraph or in a particular one section, we recommend that you can click on this side and add. Okay, so so I just clicked on Gadavarti Rahayachi Soy. This is one paragraph over there. Okay, now this is the thing. I have opened from Epic and there is no login registration. So it has given me an alert message that beware, you have not logged in. But never mind, sometimes in a hurry people do such things. There is nothing wrong, but we say that better you make login. So I'll try to see. Now the Epic browser has got a speciality that it gives me the option in typing in all these languages. So right side you can see some languages, right? So these are the languages we can type. Okay, so I have selected Marathi, and like what I typed in the Google transliteration, like a phonetic typing, we can type directly in the Wikipedia page saved. So this is the way we can contribute and save in a particular Marathi article or a Marathi page. If you want to make and see, remember, while editing and all that, if possible, try to give the references also. So like, but when how the references comes from, those can come from the internet, that is media, newspapers and all that, or it can come from websites of the various organizations, and it can be a hard copy references as well. And but some references are desired and those are required. So we should put the right references besides whatever the things are, so it doesn't create a controversy or somebody should not question like what the hell you are written and all that. Okay, so referencing I told you. Then some of the things I would mention now, quickly going to the Marathi Bhasha. Yeah, I will show you that. Yeah, I will show you. I'm coming to that. Yeah, दाखवतो. I'm doing that only now.